Hey, how are you doing? Welcome to Miss Tech Hack. Today in this video, I will be discussing about setter injection in Spring. It is a type of dependency injection, but before we go ahead, make sure to subscribe to Miss Tech Hack so you don't miss on any of our updates and latest videos. So, let's get started. Now, what is a setter injection? It involves providing setter methods for each dependency which the IOC container uses to inject the dependencies. Hence, it reduces burden on the programmer because programmer need not to worry about the index or type of parameters like in the case of constructor injection. So, the most important feature of setter injection is partial injection. Setter injection is more flexible than constructor injection and allows for optional dependencies. In short, constructor injection does not support partial injection, which means we cannot ignore any property for injection if present as constructor parameter, whereas setter injection supports partial injection, which means we can ignore any property for injection and inject only those properties that are needed. So let's move to the implementation part. DI setter injection. Now start by creating a bean class. Right click on the package and click on new class. Enter a name. Let's say we give Chinese food. Add food interface and click on finish. Also, in Chinese food class, add a dependency field food service then add a setter method set food service to set the value of food service field. Now, to use the setter injection, return food service.getFood under get daily food. Now, to make this work, open application context.xml and add the new bean with ID as Chinese food ID. And class as com.mistechhack.springdemo.chinesefood. Now, add setter injection. Add property tag with name and ref as food service. Let's update the comments and save the file. Now, create a new app class. Right click on the package and click on New Class. Enter a name. Let's say we give Spring App Setter Injection. Check Public Static Void Main and click on Finish. To avoid rewriting, let's copy the code from previous app class. Replace the bean ID with Chinese food ID as mentioned in the XML. Let's run the application and check. You can see it prints all types of dishes are available here. Now, just to check it's coming from the Chinese food class, let's append a string and check. I have appended string Chinese food and Italian food in respective classes. Run the app again. As you can see, it prints all types of dishes are available here, Chinese food. That's how dependencies are injected using setter injection with the help of Spring configuration file. So, we have seen what is setter injection and how it works in Spring Framework. That's it for this video. I hope you find it useful. For any queries or concerns, write me down in the comment section. Thank you so much. Have a great day.